Hi everyone! In this video we will multiply square roots. Multiply 19 square roots of 4m to the 5th times 3 square roots of 7m to the 3rd. Let's go ahead and see if we can simplify anything inside the radicals. 4 is a perfect square, so let's break it out. So we have the square root of 4. M to the 5th is not a perfect square, but we can separate it out so we get m to the 4th. And we have one more m left under the radical to make 5 of them. And don't forget our 19 out front. And this is being multiplied to 3. 7 is not a perfect square and it is not divisible by a perfect square, so it needs to remain inside the radical. However, m to the 3rd can be broken into a perfect square. In fact, m squared is a perfect square, and we're left with one m that is remaining inside the radical. Now let's go ahead and evaluate any of our perfect square roots. 4 is a perfect square, and the square root of 4 is 2. This is being multiplied to the 19 out front. M to the 4th is a perfect square, which makes m squared. And we have the square root of m, which doesn't simplify, so it stays there. The next one, we have 3, and the square root of m squared is m. The square root of 7 does not simplify, so it stays here, and the square root of m doesn't simplify either, so let's keep it under the same radical. On the left-hand side, we have some things that we can combine. 19 times 2 is 38, and we still have m squared, square roots of m. Now this is being multiplied to 3m square roots of 7m. We don't need to have like terms to multiply square roots. We just multiply them. So we can multiply 38 times 3, which gives us 114. And then we have m squared times m. That gives us 3 m's on the outside, so we get m cubed. And inside the radicals, we have m and 7m. That gives us 7 times m squared. We can break out the square root of m squared because it's a perfect square, and the square root of m squared, so we'll have the square root of 7 times the square root of m squared. This simplifies to be m. So we end up with 114 times m cubed times m times the square root of 7. And that m cubed times m gives us m to the 4th. So our answer is 114 m to the 4th square root of 7. And now we're all done.